To report issues with the Rocket Money Android app, start by opening the app on your device. Navigate to the main menu, usually found by tapping the three horizontal lines or the profile picture in the top left or right corner. From the menu, select the Help or Support option. This may be labeled as Help Center, Support, or Contact Us, depending on the app version. If you cannot find the support option, you can also try looking for a Settings or About section where you might find a way to report issues. Once you have found the support option, tap on it to open the support page. Here, you can usually find a button or link to report a problem or send feedback. Tap on this button to initiate the reporting process. You will be asked to describe the issue you are experiencing. Be as detailed as possible, including any error messages you have seen, the steps that led to the issue, and what you were trying to do when the problem occurred. This information will help the support team to quickly identify and resolve the issue. You may also be given the option to include a screenshot of the issue. If the issue is visual, such as a layout problem or an error message, including a screenshot can be very helpful. Make sure to review the screenshot to ensure it does not contain any sensitive information. After submitting your report, you will usually receive a confirmation message or an email from the support team. They will review your report and get back to you with a resolution or a request for more information. Additionally, you can also report issues with the Rocket Money Android app by visiting the apps page on the Google Play Store. Scroll down to the review section and tap on the button to leave a review. Here, you can describe the issue you are experiencing and give the app a rating. The support team may monitor these reviews and respond to reports of issues. It is also a good idea to check the app's social media pages or website for any known issues or maintenance notifications. Sometimes, issues are already being worked on, and checking these sources can save you time and provide a quick resolution. By following these steps, you can effectively report issues with the Rocket Money Android app and help the support team to quickly resolve any problems you are experiencing.